another one. I know this video is like not into aviation, but this is different. So first time doing like boxing is iPhone 15 in blue. In this case, now I'm gonna open it. Ooh. Here's the bag. Ooh, that's so clean. See? That's... I'm gonna peel it. Oh my god! I'm gonna turn it on. This is the Apple logo. It's so squared off, it just reminds me of my first iPhone. And sure comes with the USB-C port. Right. It says hello, welcome. United States. Okay, I had to sign in, like get all my data from my previous iPhone XR, the one on my recording, and in the meantime I can show you what came in the box. Also, this is circular hander, and this bag is completely made from paper, as you can tell. Alright. It came with the Apple sticker, and it came with a message saying that you no longer need a physical SIM card to activate it's just a message saying that there's no physical SIM card anymore on like the iPhone 15, 14, all that. And yeah, thank God I had eSIM on my previous iPhone. And then the warranty and all that. It also came with the cord used by USB-C to USB-C since I made that change. And it's very like different texture from the previous like lightning port. That's the box. And this is the box. iPhone 15 made in California, USB-C. iPhone 15 blue, 256 gigabyte. Yeah, I got it in 256. Looks very different in the box, like color matching with the iPhone color. And this is the iPhone. It has the dynamic island, if you can see. The squared off edge, like very comfortable to hand, and the USB-C port. Like the Pro models on the 15 has the action button, but this one has the mute and switch, but like toggle, like the previous iPhones. There's the diagonal camera, like on the 15, 14, and 13 cameras. And yeah, and also got a case, and it comes with MagSafe. It's from OtterBox. So yeah, I think it's ready, iPhone. I can interact. Oh yeah, this iPhone has 5G. I'm in Cricket and has 5G, so yeah. And all that. For the camera, it's like portraits and photo video. Now this one has like 0.5x, 2x. Now it's like having a third camera, like Apple said. For videos, like .4K. Has the cinematic mode, slow-mo, and also have this action mode, which is introduced on the 14. And play songs, Spotify. Oh yeah, this iPhone has the dynamic island, which replaces the notch, and you can interact with activities like music. And then you can see that on the top. Interact like with applications, maps, alerts, all that. And replaces with the notch on the older model. This has USB-C port, which replaces the lightning port. And reminds me of my first iPhone, which I mentioned before, which is the iPhone SE first generation. And yeah, oh yeah, it doesn't have always on display, which is only for the Pro models. Overall, it's a good Would I pick for the... Would I recommend it for 2024? I say yes, because it replaces the notch and the USB-C port, which is a nice upgrade from an iPhone 12, 11 or older. And it has 5G, which is fun feature from the 12. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.